On this channel, we provide useful programming information with practical code examples. This time, we will discuss Sass variables. We will provide a detailed explanation of Sass variables and learn their actual usage step by step. Enabling subtitles will make the code descriptions easier to understand. Sass is a CSS extension language that allows you to write CSS more flexibly and efficiently. Among its features, variables are a powerful tool for maintaining style consistency while making changes easier. Sass variables provide a way to store values like colors, font sizes, and spacing used frequently in CSS, allowing them to be managed in one place. By using variables, you can easily change styles and improve code readability. Variables can be written as follows. You need to prefix the variable name with the $ symbol. Variable name is the name of the variable. It is recommended to give it a clear and descriptive name. Value is the value assigned to the variable. Below is a basic example of a Sass variable. Once you define a variable such as $primary color, you can reuse the same value as many times as you like. When changing a value, you only need to modify the variable definition, improving maintainability. When you compile the Sass file to CSS, it will look like this. Combining Sass nesting with variables helps organize your code and makes it easier to manage. You can use variables inside nested selectors. By combining variables, you can achieve flexible styling, such as making a color 10% darker using the color adjust function. When you compile the Sass file to CSS, it will look like this. In Sass, you can set default values for variables. Setting default values allows you to use variables without overriding existing ones. By adding default, the variable will not be overridden if it is already defined. This is useful in team development or for project-wide settings. When you compile the Sass file to CSS, it will look like this. Sass variables have scope, and their availability depends on where they are defined. Understanding scope helps prevent unintended overriding of variables. Global scope. Variables in the global scope are available throughout the entire file. Local scope. Variables in the local scope are only available within a specific nesting or file. Sass variables can also be used in calculations. Calculations can be performed on unit-based values and colors as well. When you compile the Sass file to CSS, it will look like this. Using variables for color adjustments or spacing calculations improves maintainability. Sass variables are an essential feature for efficient CSS management and maintenance. Using Sass variables helps maintain consistent styles across the entire project and makes changes easier. The source code for this video can be downloaded from the official website. If you like, please visit the URL in the description to aid your learning. Thank you for watching. If you'd like to enjoy more content, please subscribe to the channel.